What's up, my widows? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little chit chat get ready with me because I'm going to this animal safari park today. So, what are some good primers? Because I need a good ass primer, like a bomb ass primer. On a sleeping gown, like the old people when I was sleeping. To make sure it blend in and don't leave no marks. After I put my foundation on, y'all know my routine by now. But mental health wise, I've been good. I'm in a good space mental health wise. Like everything's been going fine. Like no bad things been going on in my life. So yeah, everything's been going good. Can't complain. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear today. Like I've been thinking about that since last night. I don't know what I wanna wear. Like I wanna get cute, but then again, like I'm going to feed animals. Like at this is safari park, so I also don't wanna be dressed too down, but I wanna be dressed too up to where it's like, why you have that on here? Like it's not the time and place for that. So yeah, y'all know the routine by now, anyways. So y'all know. Brows done. Foundation is on. Like I'm finna go ahead and contour and highlight my face because so, I need to find like a good website that has clothes on. Like right now I got some collaborations coming up, so I'll keep y'all tuned in on that. Like y'all use my codes though, because you will get 30% off if you use my codes to the website. I can link the website down below with my code now if y'all want to go ahead and shop before I actually do my initial review and whole video on that. But I don't want y'all just thinking just do it just because. So I might just go ahead and wait before I put my code in the website down below and wait till I get my products and do my initial review on them and let you guys know. Bought some of the Air Sponge setting powder, and I want to try it out. So I went and bought some yesterday, and I'll be trying it today because I'm gonna be outside. I know it's gonna be hot as fuck, and y'all, I have combination skin, but in the freaking summer, I'm oily as fuck. Like you literally can wipe the oil off my face in 1 second, and next second is back there. Cause last night I was oily as finnock. Like I'm trying to cut down on the cussing I be doing, but I was oily as finnock. Like, baby, I didn't know I could get that oily. Like, it shocked me because I know I get oily, but not oily. And last night, it was ridiculous. Like, I'm not just gonna say last night, yesterday in general, I just kept getting oily. Like every time I cleaned off my face, cause I didn't put no makeup on. All I did was do my eyebrows and have some lashes on. But I had like clamped my face like real good. Cause like, you know, when you do your lash brow thing, you just wanna naturalness. Like, this is me. All I do is add some lashes. Like, this is me in the flesh, cute. And that was me. Like, I'm trying to be cute or whatever. And all that was oily as fuck. Like, no help for it. Like I tried everything. No freaking good. Like, what is life? Like, I'm trying to prosper. And my face is just oily. Like, what? Okay, like, this is not what I need right now. Y'all know I've been dipping to my favorite palette. And that's all. Like, I don't be trying to do too much. I know most people use, like, a brown. But I don't have no palettes, like, with a light brown in it for real. Like, a soft brown to do it. But this dusty rose to me is like perfect. And it's pretty. So it's like a win-win. I can't lose. And when I go back to the orthodontist, I will be recording for my channel. So I got y'all on that. And I just hit the 1 year mark of having my braces. Literally. Just hit the 1 year mark a few days ago. Y'all just made a freaking mess. I'm just putting it in the spots where I get oily at. Ain't this called like your T-zone? Where most people get oily at? I know it comes with that thing in there, but I want to use the brush. Do it a little better. But yeah, it's like, go ahead and put some mascara on to prep for my lashes. I'm just kidding, I'm back. I forgot to put more of this on after I did my brows, so let's do that now. Y'all didn't see that. I gotta clean this up some more. I don't even know what this brush is for. Like, I have no clue. And it is true, practice really does make perfect. practice makes perfect. Because baby, when I started doing my makeup, the shit was looking horrible to me now. Like what I know how to do now and then, it looks horrible. But back then, like when I first started doing this shit, was like cute. Like everybody was doing their makeup like that. But shit, this shit was ugly as fuck. Like what were we thinking? Like we really did that? Looking crusty as fuck. Literally. No, I know how to do everything, but when every day I get better and better. And each time I do my makeup, that's a plus. To buy me an actual camera, like to record and do videos with, because I don't want to record on my phone anymore. Like, I really don't. It's getting frustrating recording on my phone. Even though it's real convenient because all my videos on my phone, I edit on my phone. Like I do it all on my phone. And a lot of YouTubers, that's how they do theirs, and they got big channels. And they just been doing it off their phone. So that's why I'm really not complaining. For real. I just need to like if I could have more features with my phone, it'll be fine. I'm about to go ahead and highlight my face and then set it. I don't know what highlight I want to use since I'm not like doing no foundation or anything. I'm probably just gonna go with this brown and just get like a little. This one. I think I'm just going with that one. But I put this purple one under my eyebrow. Y'all, I just like got put on to JD Young. And I fuck with some of his songs, like good as fuck. Y'all, sorry for that background noise. My little brother there was in there playing a game and wouldn't shut up. But I don't really be into that celebrity shit though, because these celebrities, they do certain things for a publicity stunt, and it's like y'all ain't even gotta do all that. Like y'all ain't even gotta be that extra. And yes, I put on my lashes without any tweezers or anything because I can't put them on like that. So I use my hand. Yeah, people be hitting me up, talking about I don't fool with them anymore and stuff like that. But in reality, I've been busy. Like, I'm trying to get my channel up off the ground. Like, I'm trying to get this channel popping for y'all, for my weirdos, because we're all weirdos. Because they ain't really trying to do nothing positive. Like, y'all just want to hang out and do bullshit. Like, I'm trying to be productive with my time. Like, go ahead and put my earrings in. Y'all, it's 11:14. I actually got done way before I thought I would, because I told you I was like, what, 10:30? 10 o'clock when I first started this video. And it's on 11:14, so that's good. So, since my makeup is done, some mascara under my eyes, and after I don't put like an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go into this highlighting palette, and I'm gonna use Bright and Bubbly because it's like a purple looking one. I feel like it's gonna show for real. No, it's not showing. Just go back into this color pop. I mean, this color is palette, and use the purple because it's very pigmented, and do the inner corner. Okay, that is done. Go ahead with some mascara under my eye, and I will be done doing my makeup. And all I have to do now is do my hair and put on some clothes. So, your girl is going good. Yeah, I know I be putting like multiple layers of different mascara under my eyes. Like, I be trying to make them stand out because I don't put nothing else. I used to put eyeliner under my eyes, but I don't like it. Like, when you put it on, it be great, but like it be smearing, and I hate like having to go back all day and fix. I hate having to go back and fix eyeliner throughout the day because it's unnecessary. It's not unnecessary, just like all day you gotta worry about is your eyeliner right. You could just eliminate that problem and hold by not just fucking with it. Like, fuck the eyeliner. I think my makeup turned out pretty good. Like, good. Like, this shit is cute. Like, now I gotta see what I want to do with my hair and fix these freaking marks, because I know there's a line there. So and we're here. Yeah, I know I'm goofy as the fuck. Yeah, I was pissed. This little shit was $2.59. Like, some fucking edge control, and it's a little bit of container. But like, whatever make your girl cute. Do like a side part today because I had some curls in my hair. So I'm finna go ahead, straighten my hair and do the side part, and I'll be back when I'm done. My hair is done, you guys. It's now done. Now I'm gonna put on my clothes, and I'll be back to show y'all my final outfit. Okay guys, I am done getting dressed. I will insert pictures of my outfit. I'm now about to get ready to go get on the road, so I am done with this get ready with me. I'll catch you guys in a few. I love you guys.
Isaac made this one.